Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the numericals based on the chemical kinetics. Last day we have just begun the new unit, that is of the chemical kinetics. Right? Again, it's a branch of the science which is going to deal with the study of the rate of the reaction. What is going to be the factors which will affect the rate of the reaction and the mechanism of it. Right? So in the last class also we discussed about the rate of the reaction, how we are going to define a rate of a reaction, right? And how we can express the rate of a reaction. We can express the rate of a reaction in average rate and the instantaneous rate. Now let's start with the numerical. The first one is that for elementary reaction 2A plus B gives 3C. This is the reaction which is given to us, right? The rate of appearance of C at time t is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Now we have to find out the time at this time we have to find out the rate of reaction and the rate of disappearance of A. Now at this time means here the time t, right? So for this, first of all, whenever reaction is given and we have to find out the rate of the reaction, we will first write down the general expression for the rate of the reaction, right, in terms of reactant and product. Now it is rate equals to, we are going to express it, it is minus half dA upon dt equals to minus dB upon dt equals to 1/3 dC upon dt. Right? Now, in the question, what is given to us? Rate of appearance of C. That means, see this one. So, this is given to us, right? That what is the rate in which at which the C is appearing, right? So, the rate of the reaction we are going to calculate, right, by using 1/3 dC upon dt. So, dC upon dt, right, is is given to us, that is 1.3 into 10 is to power minus 4, right. Now we will just solve it out and we will get 4.33 into 10 is to power minus 5 mole per liter per second, right. So this equation is very important. If the rate of one of the we can say term is known to us, we can find out the rate of the appearance of the disappearance of the another term. So students, just get it noted down and then we will do the next part of this numerical, that is the rate of disappearance of A. Yes, students, will do the second part of the numerical now, and this is the rate of the disappearance of A. Now, for doing the disappearance of A, I have again written down this expression where all the appearance and disappearance of the different terms are related with the rate of the reaction, right? You have already noted down for the first part, so don't repeat it right here. So it is minus half d upon dt. I'm going to just relate the disappearance of A with 1/3 dc upon dt because this is given in the question, right? So if I do it, so it is minus half this one, it will just go here, right, become 2/3, right. So disappearance of A means minus half dA upon dt, so minus dA upon dt equals to 2/3 dC upon dt, right. Now just you will put the value of the rate of the appearance of C here, which is given in the numerical 1.33 into 10 is to power minus 4 mole per liter per second. And students, when you will calculate it out, you will get 8.66 into 10 is to power minus 5 mole per liter per second. Right, students? You can also do it in another way also. We have calculated out the rate of the reaction and you will just relate this rate of disappearance of A with the rate of the reaction. In that way also you can do it, right? And one more thing to tell, that you will not forget to write down the unit at the end, right? Whenever a quantity you for calculating out any quantity, right, you will always mention the unit, and if you forget it, your half marks will be deducted. Yes, students, now next numerical is also of the same type, right? So here we have got the oxidation of ammonia, 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O, right? So in the question it is given the rate of formation of NO, right? It is 3.6 into 10 to power minus 3 mole per liter per second. What has been asked to us? calculate the rate of disappearance of ammonia and the formation of water, right? So first of all, I have written here the expression for the rate of the reaction in terms of different terms which are there in the equation, reactant and product. So rate of the reaction will be equal to minus 1 upon 4. I think now you are clear why we are getting it 1 upon 4. This is because the stoichiometric coefficient here, right? So it is minus 1 upon 4 dNH3 upon dt equals to minus half dO2 upon dt equals to 1/4 dNO upon dt equals to 1 upon 6 H2 upon dt, right? Now students, here we are asked to just NO is given to us and we have to calculate for the ammonia. So we'll pick up these two terms only, ammonia and the NO here. So we are getting 1/4 dNO dt equals to minus 1 upon 4 dNH3 dt. Students, here negative sign is only indicating the decrease in the concentration, so that overall the rate of the reaction don't get negative, it will come positive, right? So what we are getting from here, that 4 to 4 will get cancelled out. So what will happen? We will get this rate dNO upon dt equals to dNH3 upon dt. That means the rate of appearance of NO is getting equal to rate of disappearance of ammonia, right? So hence the rate of disappearance of ammonia, right, of NH3 will be coming same, that is 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter per second, which is given in the question also, the rate of formation of NO, right students? So this will be the answer for the first part. Now when you are doing the second part, that is formation of water, right? So again, now here the answer which we know, the rate of disappearance and appearance of the species which we know is first of all 1/4 dNO upon dt, and now for 1 minus 1 upon 4 dNH3 upon dt, right? And you can take any one of these two and relate with the water, that is this one, right? So just first note it down and then we will do this the next part, that is to find out the formation of the rate of formation of water. So yes students, next part, right, we started with the formation of water and now we have selected from the rate equation. This is the complete rate equation here, that 1/6 dH2O upon dt will be equal to 1 upon 4 dNO upon dt, right? We have taken it, right? So now what we are getting, to get the rate of the formation of water, this part, right, here it is rate of formation of water dH2O of upon dt, or we can say rate of appearance of water dH2O upon dt will be equal to 6, will go that side, become 6 upon 4 into 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3, right? You can just get it simplified, right? And you will by cancelling it, or you can directly do it by division. So you'll get 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter per second, right? So students, the main point here to be considered is that you have to correctly write down the rate equation, right? If you do any mistake in writing the rate of the equation expression, this complete expression, then you will not be able to write the correct relation between the two terms, right? Whether it becomes term of the rate of appearance of the two species, or rate of disappearance of the two species, or rate of appearance with the rate of disappearance of the species, right students? So students, you will practice the numericals which will be based upon this type, right, where one of the you have to utilize the rate equation, right students? So, and one most important thing, again I'm repeating again and again to you whenever we do the numerical, that is don't forget to write down the units, right? Always you will keep it in mind.